We generate an immense volume of data and possess extraordinary computational capability. Yet, when confronted by systemic global crises, we frequently find ourselves paralyzed. Historically, global academia approached reality by dissecting it. Disciplines isolated knowledge, separating biology from ethics and history from physics. This fragmentation reflects an industrial worldview. It treats the universe as a machine, constructed from lifeless, interchangeable parts. When we define nature as a collection of resources rather than a living system, we lose the ethical anchor for our scientific advancement. We eventually view the environment as a warehouse of parts to be managed, rather than a home we participate in. Accumulating massive amounts of information without an integrated framework leaves a civilization highly capable, but lacking the overarching wisdom required to guide that capability. Consider a different possibility. Reality might function as a single, unified, living organism. This is the starting point of Afrisophy, the African science of wisdom. It is a discipline that systematizes millennia of diverse African civilizational thought into a unified academic framework. For decades, prominent scholars have pushed to reclaim intellectual sovereignty, insisting that reality must be interpreted through these original African conceptual foundations. Afrisophy shifts the focus to the living relationships that define reality. The first sphere of this reality is the natural world, where humanity exists as an embedded participant. Environmental stewardship functions as a reciprocal partnership, a requirement for civilizational survival. Beyond the tangible environment exists the sphere of spiritual power. This is the moral responsibility and dynamic vitality found in living existence. This unseen vitality provides the meaning and purpose behind biological processes. Every human action ripples through the broader ecosystem and the community. This interconnectedness extends into time, which functions as an unbroken chain of living relationships. Ancestors participate in the present, shaping the community through their enduring influence. The living inherit languages, institutions, and accumulated wisdom from those who came before. This shared inheritance is known as root memory. The current generation must actively refine and transmit this knowledge to shape the future. Because the past remains alive in the present, a civilization cannot survive or adapt if it severs its historical memory. Scaling up to the macrosphere, we encounter the cosmic order, the overarching harmony that dictates the structure of the universe. From the roots of trees to the movement of galaxies, the universe operates within one interconnected system. To achieve genuine progress, human institutions, economics, and emerging technologies must actively align with this universal order. Technological advancement that ignores cosmic harmony eventually undermines its own success. Wisdom lies in discovering how to cooperate with the order already present within the universe. These principles merge in the concept of living knowledge, the point where raw information integrates with human character and moral responsibility. Standard knowledge guides the extraction of minerals or the programming of an algorithm. Living knowledge evaluates how those actions impact the legacy of ancestors, the health of the natural environment, and the generations yet unborn. This integrated civilizational thinking is required to navigate global crises like climate change and digital governance. Ultimately, a civilization only truly flourishes when its scientific advancement is carefully guided by an overarching architecture of wisdom. Every living generation stands at the intersection of memory and possibility. The ethical and environmental decisions we make today are actively shaping the civilizational inheritance of tomorrow. What kind of ancestors will we become? Reality is relationship. Reality is life. Reality is harmony. This is Afrisophy.